Somewhere in New York City, there's a car rotting in the garage, and today we're gonna go save it.
magguzaチャンネル。
雨音で目が覚める、パンケーキの匂いに誘われる。なんでそんな元気なの？二人で見る。
So I wasn't lying to you guys, this is my R32 GTR, and I let this thing sit for a year because I had to move to a different state. Admittedly, it wasn't in the best condition anyway, and when I left to Maryland, I tried to get quotes on, you know, repairing this thing, finding people down there I can trust, and the prices were just so high to the point where I said, you know what, that is literally a whole new car, which is exactly why I have the Sylvia. But now that I'm a little bit more settled where I am, I think it's finally time to bring it home. This thing is just covered in cobwebs. I actually hope that insects are the most of my problem. I hope there's no rodents in the bay or anything like that. Nope. This still looks pretty good. So if I didn't say prior, this is actually my first car, and the first engine that I ever worked on was an RB26. It was a little bit daunting to get into something so expensive right off the bat, but somehow I made it work. Unfortunately, I had issues down the road and my cylinder 6 leaned out, so I need a new bottom end, but for now it is drivable. Should I drive it? Probably not. Either way, I love this thing. Yeah, I kind of left this car a little bit of a mess. There's my 350 Nardi, and I don't know if you can see, but I have about 118,000 kilometers, which is like 70,000 miles on this thing. There's my old Trust Grex shift knob, ETC car reader, and this old boost gauge by Apexi that the previous owner put in. And my friend has violated my car by putting this in it. So originally when I left the GTR, I kind of didn't unplug the battery, and because of that, the battery is dead. Like, dead. So right now, this car is stuck in the middle of a driveway, and I feel like such an asshole. Luckily, I have friends here that will help me out. Honestly, if it wasn't for them, this car 100% would not be coming home today. Hello, you little degenerate.
What's up? What's going on?
It's been so long.
I know, man. Where is this thing? It's in the back?
It's dead, man.
You get back there still with this or?
With this?
Yeah.
Yes, but he's kind of blocking it. We have to find a way to...
Stay on some real... Damn!
You don't like my Fitbit?
Come on.
Dude, you don't like it?
It's sacrilegious.
Dude, I sold the wheels, and I had to put it on something new.
The Impulse?
Yeah, I sold the Impulse, and now we're on... Dude, those are like 6s or something like that. They're so good.
Yo.
Yeah,
This shit looks like a Forza barn find.
dude, look at the dirt on it. It looks...
There's like a Forza barn find and they pull it out and it's like, yeah, we'll get this to the shop quick.
I'm not gonna lie, like, it is pretty disgusting.
Yeah, man.
It, like, you could tell.
I didn't know you kept it in the garage like this.
Yeah, I kept it in the garage. Look, I had my own microwave too inside.
Dude had this shit in a shed.
It works? No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work? The air pump? Yeah, this does not give enough. I know. It's weak. Let's go. I'm riding clutch, boys.
Let's go.
Oh, that's what you did? That's not coming. No. I mean, like, it does, no, it's not starting again. I mean, look how dirty it is, though. It looks like a barn find. I feel like people will be understanding. People will be understanding if they see it in this shape.
It is a barn find. It's a barn find. I'm taking the car back to my house.
It's so dirty. Dude, that is
Sexy, baby. Anyone.
that is.
Can I honk at him?
Don't honk at him.
Hey, we're back. Across the
Well, they're just being annoying and looking at that.
looking.
How bad can the accident be?
There's 3 fire trucks. What are you thinking?
There's 3 fire trucks?
Oh, did you not see it from your
Wait.
angle?
Oh,
Yeah, you
my,
can look at
wait.
it. I'm gonna keep driving. Oh, the.
Wait, did it burn down?
Oh, shit! It did.
shit!
Oh shit! Get pictures. Get pictures. Get pictures.
Oh my god!
That's
Your Corolla. Well, we made it, and we might as well just get started. So my plan is to take these S14 wheels off because one of them was like running flat, and I'm just going to use my S15 stock spare wheels on this for now because this is not drivable. This is so disgusting. Look at him! He's a brand new car. There's still some watermarks and stuff like that, but I tried my best to clean up all the gunk off of him. I switched to the S15 wheels, like I said, and honestly, it came out pretty good. I guess it really just was dirt, dust, whatever it may be. I try to clean up the inside too with the cobwebs, so that stuff is all gone. I have missed this thing. You know I sing high praise about the S15, but this car right here is where it started for me, and it will always have a special place in my heart. So you're probably wondering what's going on with the GTR. I'm hoping that this becomes a side project on the channel. The Sylvia stuff will still continue. It's always more of my I'm going to drive, do things with this car type of thing, while the GTR is probably going to be more of a build project. It's a pretty big task taking out the engine and everything. I'll try to alternate between the two. Let's say for the winter, if there's nothing I can do in terms of driving, maybe I'll pull the RB26 out. Anyway, I figured that it's better to show you guys this car now rather than later because, well, I have it and I don't want to lie about it. I don't want to hide it. And I have a couple more things coming later this year with me being in Japan. So I didn't want to overwhelm you guys with too much all at once. It's probably better to show you now. Anyway, Sylvia stuff will not stop. I'm just adding this bad boy to the channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys are looking forward to the new GTR content. Thank you for watching.